Hello everyone, it's cooking time! As you all know, or you already know, that there's different ways how to cook pasta, but it's up to you how you cook it. But to me, I want a little bit healthy cooking. So now I will put lots of tomatoes, so we will feel like, yummy, this is healthy for our body. Come join me in the kitchen, so I will show you my ingredients. So now the ingredients of my pasta is the thin spaghetti pasta or thin spaghetti, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. We will put also a little bit of shrimp, onions, garlic, pasto, rustic, basil sauce. We will put also a salt, and we will put oil. That's up to you. This one I will put this when I cook the pasta, and after that I will put this spray oil when I start cooking the sauce. Now in here we have already heating water. We will wait when this water will be boiling, and then we will put our pasta in to cook. Our water is boiling. It's time for us to put our pasta in. Now we will put our pasta in here, and let's flip it later, or we will put this down so the other side will be cooked. As you all know, I already washed my hand right there. Now it's time for us to put a little bit oil so it won't stick our pasta, and let's put also a little bit of salt. Now let's stir it. There you go. And we will wait when it's cooked, or the pasta will be soft. Our pasta is cooked. We will drain it here in the sink. Now let's put our pasta in there while cooking our spices. Now let's turn on our stove, and we will wait when our frying pan will be heated. Now our frying pan is hot. Let's put a spray oil in here to cook our spice. Alright, we will wait that when it's not hot, but it's warm. Now let's put our garlic. It's not hot. The next one that we will put is our onions. The next one that we will put is our tomato. And we will put a tomato paste here. Nope, a little bit. Alright, now let's stir it. Tomato is cooked. It's time for us to add our shrimp. The reason why I didn't put my shrimp inside or before the tomato, it's because our shrimp is cooked already, and it will be like rubbery, taste like rubber when you put there too long. So that's the reason why I didn't put it the first thing. So we will let that boil first, then we will put our pasta. Now it's time for us to put our pasta in. Slowly and gently. Right there. And we will mix it together, so the sauce and the pasta will be mixed. Alright, let's continue. mixing our pasta with the sauce. Like that. The reason why I use the tongue, so it's easy for me to mix the pasta. And it's done. Now it's ready to serve. Our pasta, cherry tomato pasta. Now let's go get a serving plate so we can transfer this into our serving plate. So our serving plate is too small. We will just use this one, our storing plates or bowl, storing bowl, so we can put this in here and we just take a little when we eat. So there you go. That's our cherry tomato pasta. Alright. So there you go. Here is our cherry tomato pasta. Now it's cooked. Now it's done. It's time for us to test our cherry tomato pasta. Yeah, there you go. Let's test. Super sarap. It's very tasty and delicious. Yummy. So thank you all guys for watching and see you in my next cooking style. Bye.